Hi, everybody!
Welcome back, Savvy Nation. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Nail Tech Savvy. So I'm going to get right into this video. This is my birthday set that I have. Very beautiful, very elegant set. I'm going to be doing a recreation of this on my practice hand. This is a gel encapsulation set. So it's going to go from this to this. Look at this beautiful elegant set. It's just a shorter version, a short almond shape, and I added some bling up there as well. But if you want to know how I made this set, then continue watching. Okay, so let's get right into the video. What I'm going to do is start going through the layer of products that we need for the encapsulation. So the very first product is the IBD Hard Gel. It's French Extreme, and that's going to be my third layer of the encapsulation. My second layer is the Light Elegance Sweet Lace. That's that beautiful design that you see on the nails. So that's going to be my second layer. Okay, so next we're going to be adding the glitter layer, and this is the very first layer of the encapsulation. This is just a little concoction that I made. I just took some IBD gel and put it in that little container, and then put some glitter that I'm getting ready to show you and mixed it up, and that was my very first layer. This glitter here is so beautiful, you guys. This is what you actually see underneath and going in between that sweet lace gel. It gives you this beautiful shimmer. Okay, so moving on to nail prep, what I actually did off camera, going in with Young Nails Swipe to dehydrate the nail. And then I use Young Nails Protein Bond, and then I also use the IBD LED Bonder, and that just helps the gel to bond to your natural nail. Okay, now that the prep has been completed, now we're going to go in and start our encapsulation process. We're going to add our very first layer, which is this glitter gel that you see here. So I noticed when I was editing, I made a mistake in this part. You do not need a slit layer for your first glitter layer. You can omit this step. You can go right in with that glitter onto the nail and you'll be fine. And I'm going to tell you the reason why. This glitter, when I applied it, it spaced out my glitter, and that's not the look that I was going for. I wanted my glitter to be more concentrate so that you will be able to see it through that sweet lace. But I actually I didn't even take it off. I just left it on, and I actually cured it. So that was fine. You're going to see me complete this process for all. I'm going to do it correctly for all 4 of the nails. After I applied that glitter layer, I went ahead and cured it for 60 seconds. Okay, so now that the first layer of the encapsulation is complete, now we're going to go to our second layer, and we're going to add that sweet lace glitter gel to the nail. Okay, again, you do not need a slip layer with this glitter gel. You could go ahead and just apply this straight onto the nail. That's actually a lot of gel there, but we're going to keep that in. Is one thing that I wanted to point out to you guys. You see the dabbing motion that I'm going around the cuticles. You just want to make sure that you go hit around those cuticles and then use a very light feathery motion to move those glitters to the spot where you want them to go. Just kind of dab and move those glitters and cover up those gaps. Okay, so I'm going to speed up the video and repeat this process to all the nails and then cure for 60 seconds. Okay, so I just want to come in and say something. Don't worry about your glitter being chunky. It's actually this is our second step in the encapsulation. So this is not going to be the final form. If your glitter gel is chunky, just try to smooth it out as best as you can, but this is only going to be the second layer. The top layer is going to be a whole lot smoother. Okay guys, so now we are moving on to our very last step, which is using the IBD Hard Gel Fritch Extreme for our encapsulation. We're going to encapsulate all of that. You guys, this gel is amazing. I love the viscosity and the consistency of this gel. It's very thick. If you are new to gel, I recommend getting it because it will not move around on you. It is a very good viscosity. Okay, and here is my slip solution. I just used some alcohol, some 90% alcohol, and some acetone mixed. Okay, so now what I'm showing you here is how flat the nail is. Even though we added our first and second layer of the encapsulation, it's still very flat. And that's what we're going to do now. We're going to add that IBD gel and we're going to build that nail up. Okay, so now it is time for a slip layer. So what the slip layer is going to do is you're just going to get a thin coat of gel and just apply that to the nail. Make sure that you go from cuticle to the free edge, and you're basically just telling the gel where you want it to go. Gel sticks to gel, and you want to put that slip layer down to say, hey, I want you to go this way. So now we're going to get our first scoop of gel and we're going to make sure all the product is on one side of the brush. We have a nice peak there, and now we're ready to apply. So now we're going to gain control over the gel and then pillow it up to the cuticle. Pillow, pillow. Now we're going left, right, left, right, left, right, and then we're going to bring it down. And then we're just going to reinforce that shape of the nail there. And now we're going to use the edge of the brush and bring the cuticle, the sidewalls down. Bring the sidewalls down. This is something that I like to do. I like to flip the nail over and let gravity do the work for me. I flip that nail over and let all the gel form the apex for me, and look at that. It's forming beautiful. I'm actually going to take it off, flip it over one more time, and then cure it. Okay, so I'm going to show you the process one more time. Don't forget the slip. So we're going to add the thin layer of slip. Okay, so now we're ready to apply the product again. We're going to scoop some gel. Then we're going to break the tail of the gel. Make sure all the product is on one side of the brush. Have a nice peak there. And now we are ready to apply the gel. Okay, so gain control over the product and pillow, pillow to the cuticles. Pillow, pillow again. And now let's go left, right, left, right. Just move downward as you're going left and right. And then once you finish that, just reinforce that shape at the end. Use the tip of the brush and to balance out your side walls. And then now we're going to flip the finger over and let gravity work for us. Okay, so that nail came out a little lumpy. It's okay. Take the side of your brush with very light feathery motions and just even that gel out and then flip it back over. Yep, even that out on the side and then flip the nail back over and let gravity do its thing. Okay, so I went ahead and built the rest of the nails and cured them off camera, but I wanted to show you this. The nail here, if you're satisfied with that, you could go right into filing and shaping, but for me, I just want a little bit more thickness to that nail, so I'm going to show you another method on how to build a very nice apex. Okay, so I'm going in with the gel. I got all the product on one side of the brush and I'm going to apply my gel. So I'm going to gain control over the gel, pillow, pillow, pillow to the cuticles, and then I'm just going to gain control and then pull straight down the nail. So I noticed something when I was editing. The gel was not moving, so I scrapped it. And the reason why is because I forgot to add my slip layer. That's why it is so important for you to add that slip layer, because that gel will not move. So yes, I'm going to keep my mistakes in and you guys learn from my mistakes. Add that slip layer. Alright, so let's try this again. I got all my product on one side of the brush and now I already have my slip layer down. Now let's ready to apply. Gain control over the product. Pillow, pillow to the cuticles. Pillow, pillow, gain control. Gain control and just pull it straight down. No left to right this time. We're just going to pull the product straight down. You're still going to use the edge of your brush to bring the product down your side walls. Do it on the other side. Light feathering motions, just bring that down. And notice how I'm holding the finger down as I'm balancing my side walls. Okay, so I'm going to show you this process one more time. I'm going to add my slip layer. Okay, I'm going to scoop my gel. Then I'm going to break the tail. Make sure all the product goes to one side of the brush. Now I'm ready to apply. So I'm going to gain control, pillow, pillow to the cuticle, then pull down. Beautiful. And now I'm going to use the edge of my brush to let that gel flow down from the sidewall. And then I'm going to do the other side. Okay. Now I'm going to flip it over and let gravity do its job. If I like what I see after that, I'm going to go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to do the rest of the nails off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, so now all my nails are filed, shaped, and buffed, and this is my results. I went in and redefined that shape, and I buffed out and smoothed out my nails, and now it's time to add that top coat, and I just used Perfect Match top coat gel. This top coat is great for that glossy look, but it does have a little film after you cure it. It's not a no wipe top coat, so you will definitely have to wipe that off at the end. But let's go in and see that beautiful shine once that top coat has been added. There we go. Look at that. So beautiful and elegant. And this is the part here that I've been waiting for. Look at that beautiful shimmer underneath of that lace. Those layers came out beautifully. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the video and apply top coat to the rest of the nails. Okay, and this is the final look, you guys. This set came out so good. We can definitely see that sparkle underneath of that lace, and I just added some embellishments on the ring finger and threw some rings on. Very, very beautiful set. There's a close-up on that middle finger. If you guys like what you've seen today, make sure you hit the like button and comment and subscribe below. Thank you for watching.
Bye, everybody.